going on? I'm Josh. You're watching Days of Pain and Victory. I just want to do a quick video here on my 98 GMC K3500. Got the trouble code P1345, which is basically like the cam sensor and the crank sensor are not in sync with each other. And a couple years ago, I put in a new distributor on this. So I thought, man, that can't be the problem. Because I didn't have any check engine lights for like the first year having this distributor in. So I thought, maybe it's the timing chain. But I didn't want to dig into the front of the motor without verifying timing one more time. So I pulled the cap off, checked that all out, and it appeared to be in time or whatever, but I grabbed onto the rotor and it wiggled a whole bunch. I'm like, what the heck? And then the rotor just fell off the shaft, and look, that shaft pops out. This has like a plastic housing. I think this distributor was pretty cheap, and this thing was like, had several degrees of rotation in it, which is going to throw the timing off for sure. So I'm gonna put in a new distributor. Just picked this guy up from O'Reilly's, and it is all aluminum housing. I think it's gonna be a lot better. So I'm gonna throw this in. I'm not gonna film that. I just wanna see if this works. If it works, I'll post this video for you, and you know, this could be your 1345 trouble code problem. Yeah, pretty sure that's the problem. See, this is the new one. I'm grabbing onto the gear here and wiggling it, and there is zero play in that rotor. Look at that. Yeah, that's gonna cause some timing issues. All right, let's see what happens here. Sweet. I think that was it. I mean, I'll know in a day of driving. Maybe I'll pick up the kids in the truck before I close this video out. That'll give me some little highway driving, see if it's worked or not. But I mean, that was the most obvious problem. That distributor just fell apart. Don't buy a cheap distributor. Sweet. All right, well, that seemed to have fixed it. I have no check engine light, just drove into town and back, so got some, highway speeds and everything, and no check engine light. No more stumble. It runs really good, so pretty awesome. Kind of sucks I had to change that distributor twice, but lesson learned, don't buy a cheap distributor. Make sure that if you're replacing your distributor, that it's one with the full aluminum body, not this plastic piece of garbage. If you need to know how to change that distributor, I'll link that video down in the description below. You can check that out. And yeah, so hopefully that helps you out. Wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, repeat. See you next time.